Right. Morning, traders. What's up? Let me know in the chat for those watching on the Discord. Morning. Appreciate you guys being on. I see we got some new faces there. If you are watching live on Twitter or X and YouTube, welcome. Morning. So let's share my screen here. Let's get that up, and then we'll get right into it. So obviously, I have posted my daily reports daily reviews at the end of each day. So there's no surprise. Shouldn't be a surprise that I am struggling this week. I'm down on Monday, flat down Tuesday, and then down yesterday as well. So a little bit of a more tough trading week for me. I tried to trade these lows here on SPX or US 500, call it whatever you want. Yes, yesterday, and that proved difficult. I got in long over here. I just like the level that we were at, but I should have just seen that we were below daily VWAP. So a little bit of a more tricky one. I tried the longs, got stopped, and then obviously we get the longs into the afternoon. Very similar to the previous trading day, actually. We would get the shorts in the morning session and then the longs to end the day. I do have some shorts on the DAX right now, which I am trading away from previous days' highs. We try to get back above it and now coming lower. So I've got some shorts that are running there. Those are working really nicely. So we'll see how those close the day out. But indexes are down pre-market, as well as Nvidia and Tesla. Nvidia is down 3%, Tesla's down 2.86%. So definitely not looking bullish heading into the open. Okay, so any questions in the live chat here? Let's see who's here. What is the Discord for this? This is just the Edgeful Discord, Dave. Just the Edgeful Discord that guys come and ask questions on the Edgeful. So the reports, anything like that. So Edgeful's Discord, that's where I am live, as well as you're live here on my YouTube and Edgeful's YouTube and my Twitter and Edgeful's Twitter every single Wednesday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. That is where you can watch me. So as mentioned, things are looking pretty bearish here across the board. Longs are going to be a little bit more tricky. And just we are kind of in a bearish market sentiment right now. Let's look at this. We have been taking out previous lows consistently here the last 2 weeks. So to fight that trend maybe has been a little bit more stupid of me. Let me just say that more in a polite manner. But yeah, as you can see, we're taking out new lows almost every single trading day. Yeah. So not looking particularly hot in terms of the long. So, leaning short bias into the open would definitely make sense. We have not taken our previous day's highs or lows pre-market yet at the moment. So that is something to keep an eye out on. Yeah, 100%, Dave. Perfect. Anyone got any bias or anything like that is watching online? Let me know. Let's see if we can get some guys that are actually joining. So let's go like this. Let's just share it like that. Let's make sure that we do share it to the guys over there, and they can watch over here. Okay, let's go like this, and let's go like this. There we go. We shared it there in the Discord for the guys. Okay, so as mentioned, it has been a little bit more of a trickier week for me. As I said, Monday down, Tuesday was flat, Wednesday down. So, and this is maybe something that we actually can speak about in terms of trading, is that I've actually just become a dad in the last month. And, life has just been busy. The little guy can keep you on your toes. That's for sure. So I think a lesson in this, from it is that sometimes we just need to slow things down, not be looking to trade all day, every single day, looking to keep things simple. I think that's something that I try, I'm definitely a victim of, is sometimes I try and overcomplicate things. And I should just be taking my trades, letting it do its thing, and not always messing with it. Yesterday, I actually had my stop loss placement in a pretty good spot. I think I had my stop there below previous day's lows. I actually would have had a nice winning day if I didn't actually pull my trade. I had my stop in a great position there on the S&P chart like this. And, because as mentioned, I am been trading kind of like with more like a swing approach. And I actually would have been fine. I would have got my 1R. But because I went to go and fiddle with it, it messed it up. And then I tried the shorts on the NASDAQ and obviously got burned. So some good lessons from that. So let's go over some Edgeful reports here. Let's just go like this. Let's go over some Edgeful reports. And let's speak about that opening candle continuation report at the moment. Again, where you will watch me every single morning is ASFX TV. So after this pre-market stream, you can come over to ASFX TV over here. So let's just bring that up over there. Sorry. And you can use the code James for 50% off of our live streaming services. As you can see, Wolf of Wall Street. Today's Thursday, so me and Orson on the cover. But you can see we got some great graphics. We need to give our graphics team more credit for that. That's for sure. But yeah, ASFX TV is where I actually trade live with me and my brothers at the Open, Orson, Evan, Zach, Thomas, all the guys over at ASFX. So you guys can watch it over there. As I said, you can use the code James to come watch me live every single week. Okay, every single day, every single week. So let's go again to that Edgeful reports, and let's just go to the DAX, because this is interesting. I'm trading against that previous day's high break. You can see you need to make sure that the correct times are on here. Okay, so from the previous day's highs and lows from the daily perspective. Okay, so when we do take out those previous day's highs and lows on the DAX, let's go to that previous day's range report like this. Okay, you can see 77% of the time we're actually going to close as a bullish closing day, and for the red closing day, 76% of the time. The reason I like these for continued shorts is we are sitting at all-time highs on the daily time frame. We are at all-time highs, and look at this. We're kind of respecting this level that we had set here on Monday. You know, kind of like this. And we couldn't get any continuation to the high side. This is why I am favoring the shorts. On Tuesday, we actually had the biggest DAX decline in the last 3 years. This was down over 3% in one day. So clearly, we are at all-time highs. I'm not liking the continuation patterns for longs, so I'm short on it. And we'll see how the rest of the day does pan out. But I really, really do like this. I'm in with some nice size, so we'll see. Maybe I have a good day today. And, all about just keeping things simple at the moment. But let's go to the more over to the US markets. Let's go over NVIDIA. We can see on NVIDIA and Tesla at the moment, we are still trading within, yesterday we traded within the previous day's highs and lows, but today we are not. We are actually trading as an outside day here, already pre-market. We can see over here, okay, we are already trading as an outside day. We've taken out yesterday's, previous day's lows. So let's have a look at that report when it comes to Edgeful over here. Previous day's range report, okay. And I know Dave, who's watching live here on YouTube, knows all about this in terms of that opening up outside the market profile, right? So let's go to that previous day's range report and let's go to NVIDIA. We can see in the last 6 months on NVIDIA, when we take out the previous day's low, 67% of the time we close as a bearish closing day and 63% for the longs. But let's go to the sub-report section of here by weekday. I do know Thursdays tend to be a lot more bearish closing days, 62% of the time. So not a great edge there, but couple this with the opening candle continuation report. Now, if we have that first hour being bearish as well, this is something that we could look for extension to the downside. We can see on a Thursday, 69. So we got two reports that are actually backing us up there as well. Okay, let's go to SPX, the ES chart. SPX, ES, Orson and the guys always roast me about this, but SPX, yes, same. Orson used to trade and Evan used to trade SPX, so we'll leave it at that. Okay, so on a Thursday, we can see not great if we take out, if the first hour is bearish, just 60% of the time, but couple that with maybe a previous day's range report, okay, and we can actually go by weekday and we can go Thursdays. If we take out in the last 6 months, we take out ES's previous day's lows on the daily, extended market hours lows, 100% of the time, we close as bearish closing days in the last 6 months. Let's go out to the last year. Okay, let's go out to the last year. And we can actually see this changes to 71% of the time. Still great conviction in the short trades there. Hoa, morning, Sally, what's up? The guys in the Discord, morning, how you guys doing today? Anyone want me to cover anything? Anyone want me to cover anything? We can speak maybe about gold. I did see we were quite short. Yeah, we were quite short bias this morning. We've had a few guys live from our live streaming service that have actually been crushing it with these prop firms. Some guys getting 5K payouts today. Some guys passing some challenges. So this is our Discord right over here. And let's just go to the daily success stories over here. We got some guys absolutely crushing it at the moment. So you can actually see, and let's get that plus going there. See, Austin, I got the plus sign now going too. But yeah, guys passing some FTMO challenges, and just crushing it over there. So guys passing FTMO, guys getting payouts, 2K profit withdrawals. So some guys that are really, really crushing it, all coming from our live streaming platform, which again, you can use the code James for a discount. Let's just actually minimize that now, like that. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that's obviously always cool to see when others are doing well, because it should inspire you, right? Anyone that says says otherwise is actually just wrong. But yeah, let's see. Anyone wants to go over anything? Let's speak about gold. Let's bring gold up here on our charts. Gold at the moment is trading lower today. We have taken out previous day's lows on gold, so that is something that I will keep an eye out for. Obviously, after taking out previous day's lows, we can see maybe some further interaction to the downside. Let's go to XAU USD. What's up, Ak? Hey, look at this, Ak. From our live streaming platform, Ak. I've known, he's a great trader, swing trader. Ak, what got you over the line on that? What trade got you over the line on that? If you could maybe share it in the chat, I'd love to have a look. Ak passed another 100K account today. Brilliant. Yeah, good to have you on, Ak. That's amazing, dude. That is amazing. Okay, cool. So let's speak about gold on a Thursday. As you can see, when the previous day's lows have been taken out on a Thursday in the last 6 months, 82% of the time we will close as a bearish closing day. So now that we have taken out the previous day's lows over here, as you can see, the extended market hours on gold, that would lead me to taking to a short-term approach. Maybe from a swing trading approach, you could actually have something like this where you would enter the trade, trading underneath daily VWAP as well. And we could be looking for some shorts like this. Stop at the highs here, at the recent market structure highs, and we can be looking for some maybe continuation back towards this daily 50 EMA, something like this. So that is not looking too great. I actually was on the trading battle last night, just an interview with Boris, and Austin was he was calling Austin the VWAP king, and I was saying to Austin that I was saying to Boris that it's like Brian Shannon's son. But yeah. Okay, so that is kind of like something how I would see gold at the moment. I know we spoke about gold yesterday. Again, world markets are down. The Nikkei now breaking previous day's lows. The Japanese market index, which I know you can also trade as a futures contract as well. Ak passed that 100K account with UJ shorts. Nice. Ak, could you maybe give like where was your stop? Where was your take profit? That's really, really neat, brother. I love it. Let's add UJ here to this is just like my broader watch list. Let's go USD. JPY, okay, USD JPY, brilliant. I like the way Ak trades and swing trades and everything like that. Very, 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 very good trader. Yeah, nice. This made sense. Where did you get short in, Ak? Where did you get short in, and where was your take profit? But you can see actually taking out previous day's lows here on UJ. I mean, this works on all markets. Let's go over. Geez, I'd have to actually bring up. Let's go over my watch list here. I'd actually have to bring up my watch list here. Let's go to forex. Let's go to USD JPY. Okay, let's add it to this is how you also do add it to the watch list, by doing this, right? You also have access to trading view indicators with Edgeful free, as well as the join the Discord for free as well. So make sure that is you guys are up to date with that. Okay, let's go to UJ as mentioned. Okay, and now. Go. Okay, let's go to UJ like this. Previous day's range report on UJ. Okay. And you can actually see in the last 6 months on a Thursday, today's a Thursday, 100% of the time. There's another 100% stat for you guys. 100% of the time, when we break the previous day's lows in the last 6 months, we close as a bearish closing day. That could have led to you taking some shorts today on USD JPY. And that's what Ak did with his. So very, very neat work. Again, these stats work across all markets, which is obviously very, very neat. That Edgeful do provide such a broad aspect of this. Okay, let's go through to some US markets again. We're not looking particularly bullish. I would look for some continuation shorts. There, Hoa in the chat says, Hoa, you trade indexes, stocks, currencies. Are you more from an intraday perspective, Hoa, or more swing trading? But again, like just to show you that Edgeful are great for this because they offer this reports to different types of traders just intraday. Nice. But again, looking at different markets, right? Looking at different markets. And that's the beautiful thing of Edgeful. You can use it to find your edge in any way, that you can. Okay. So as mentioned on the US market side of things, I am definitely leaning short bias. I'm not going to be an idiot and try and buy the lows here today, or mess around with my trade that I am at the moment on the DAX. I know Dave, who's on the live stream here on YouTube, loves trading the DAX as well. So I'm in those shorts, Dave. We'll see if those do hold up. Very interesting, Linda Raschke, who obviously is a great trader herself. World-renowned trader, actually, shouldn't just say great trader, but she likes to look at the DAX couple and see that could be a front runner for US markets. The DAX trading lower this morning, maybe that could bring US markets lower as well. Just on terms of the Mag 7 stocks, we're trading lower on all of the Mag 7 stocks. 3% on NVIDIA, down 2.7% on Tesla, 1% on Meta, and everything else down as well. So we're not looking great here. Just from a longer term perspective, we are actually below that 5 daily moving average, a 5 daily SMA, which Brian Shannon loves to use across all of the Mag 7 stocks. Here on Apple, Amazon, as well. We are respecting that too. Microsoft, we are trading at it at the moment. Just slightly above it. But most of these Mag 7 stocks were trading lower than that 5 daily SMA, which Brian Shannon loves to use for his swing trades. Okay. For those that don't know Brian Shannon, the godfather basically of VWAP. So I would be leaning short today. We'll see what the first hour brings, and then we'll take it from there, guys. But I appreciate you guys being live on YouTube, whether you're watching on Edgeful's YouTube, my Twitter, Edgeful's Twitter, and the Discord. I'm going to stick to shorts today. We'll see. Market is not looking like we want to bounce. So we'll leave it at that. The Dow also trading lower. So I think just a tough market to be looking for relief bounces right here. Pick a side, stick to it, and then take it from there. I appreciate you guys, and we will see